Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and starting the update immediately. Sign in with the account tied to your console, then connect via Ethernet or a stable Wi-Fi. Wired is faster and reduces errors. Once done, make sure the console is plugged into power so it won't shut off mid-update. From the home screen, navigate to Settings System, Updates to check for the latest Xbox Series S firmware and game patches. Press Update if available, and let it start without interrupting power or network. You now handle the active download and installation. When the update begins, watch the progress bar and available storage. If download stalls, pause other network activity. Once the download completes, the console will prompt to install, accept and allow multiple restarts. This is normal. Make sure external drives and controllers remain connected while the system applies changes, because removing them can corrupt data. If prompted to update controller firmware, do that too. Controllers need matching firmware to work reliably once the console finishes. Finish by verifying the new firmware version in Settings System Console Info, and then test a game or app to confirm stability. If the update fails, first perform a power cycle. Hold the power button 10 seconds, unplug for 10 seconds, then plug back in and retry the update. If problems persist, use the offline system update via a formatted USB with the official update file. This bypasses network issues. One key tip: keep a wired connection or use the offline method when persistent network errors occur to avoid repeated failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.